Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the cake. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it, やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース。Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. It seems like we are alone at the moment, so I don't see anyone in chat. So, well, I guess if someone arrives, I will work, and that's be it. So, I am working at the talent tree of the game, and I am actually working on positioning and spacing because these things is a little bitch. So I think we need more, right? We probably need more. We need one divider line, I guess, by all these things. So this thing is not in position, right? Why these two things overlaps here? And this instead not. But they do, so we need more space. How many lines do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lanes. So 8 lanes. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, right? That should do it. So we can have this pointed here. Then this should make the things clear, right? I mean, I'm pretty sure it can. We can also make this of 5, so it's more balanced, I guess. Right, something like that. And right, so very good. Very, very. So we fix this and we make it very nice to see, cause at the moment was a little bit crappy, but and we do not like crappy thing, right? We really do not like crappy thing, so this needs to go here. This here, this and this here, right? I mean, probably, or maybe these things, this here and this here, right? That makes more sense, right? I think so. I mean, it's a little bit weird that these things goes here. So assuming we want to keep the central thing here, because that would make this more stylistically cute to watch, right? That's more stylistically cute to watch. How many more lanes do we need? We need to move this by 1, 2, 3. We need how many lanes do we need? This should be moved by 1, 2. So we need 2 more lanes, right? So this has to be 37. Yes. This has to be 37, right? Probably. I think so. Then we set the middle ones, because if the middle ones make sense, then we're good, right? Not really. We probably need 2 more, right? Right? Cause that's, oh no, actually now it makes fucking sense, I guess. Does it make sense, this thing? Not really, or yes, really? Does it? We have to see. We have to see if these things make sense. No, cause it's actually now incredibly squeezed toward these things, yeah? So that was probably the correct one, right? The previous one was the correct one. So, how many more did we add? 4? Jesus, I lost the count there. Because I want this to be middle aligned. But then, I mean, this won't be really equally spaced, right? But 1 lane off. Should we just add 1 more lane? Should we? Should we just add 1 more lane here? And move everything here? That could work, right? If we add 1 more lane, and then, but these things are not equally spaced, right? Probably not. Because we still have discrepancies here. Probably. Okay. But we could, and that would probably be nice, I guess. So, this things needs to be repositioned again. Once to snap the correspective. Oh, this is such a manual labor. I hate it. But it's okay, this is like, visual stuff that I want to fix. But in this case, oh, okay, that does still make sense, I guess. That still makes sense, right? Should make sense. I hope so. We can have this link here. This should put this here, right? Oh, and then we have the middle thing. Oh, perfect. Now it makes relatively sense, right? Now it makes relatively sense, but everything is sort of squeezed there. It's sort of squeezed here, right? So how do we fix this? We fix it probably by adding this as an extra thing here, right? And now it makes sense. Oh, we fixed the shit. Incredible. And it looks like fun. And it looks nice finally. Oh, very good. And this should go here. This probably should here. Oh yes, we fixed the shit. I'm so happy. Now we just need to fix these things here. And probably the last talent down here. Which is... Oh, now it finally looks decent. Right? Now it looks relatively decent, I guess. I guess so, right? Yeah, probably it does looks relatively decent. I guess. I mean, if we wanted to be very asshole-ish, I mean, we could probably put this somewhere else, but I guess what we can do is we can this here, this here, this here, and this. We can make it as a 5 thing. Okay. Oh, nice. The balance. The balance has been restored. I think I sort of like it. Then I save it. And let me see if this Arlen friend since Queensland can stay long because I have to have my best friend get ready for her wedding. As a good bridesmaid should. Yes, you should indeed. You should indeed. And also, all caps. I mean, cap, not all caps, but I mean, each word is a cap like a title of a song. Yeah, sure. Arlene Francis, Queen South DC. Obviously, I mean, don't worry if you can stay long. I mean, there is no problem at all. Why would you even worry? I mean, that's perfectly fine. I mean, if you have stuff to do, I mean, it's super fine. It's super fine. So, does these things automatically update here? Because I need to check. So if I refresh, we go to continue. We open the talent tree. Oh yes, now it's fixed. Now it's fixed and it's sort of nicely. Yes, very good. We need to go back. We need absolutely go back to cloud. Charged. Okay, very good. Very good. So this things here is here. So what's next actually to implement? We have to check the new implementation thing and because we probably are into a lot of stuff to do, right? So, Oliver, welcome back, Oliver, welcome back. So, what's next here? What is next here, right? I mean, this is working, so we need the implementation here. So, and we are, I guess, at A1 is done, A2 is done, A3 is done. Okay, so that unlocks the music facility. Okay. Yeah. So we need to do several things, and the first thing is probably to update the room documents, because we need more rooms, right? We need more rooms. So we need more rooms. So that's probably the first things that we need to do. So we need to go to Chappie here. We need to go to Chappie and we need to make rooms, right? We need to make rooms. What do I have my previous rooms date? They were probably somewhere into the generated folder. Maybe I can ask him to find it. In the past, I generated rooms, circular rooms, based on the circular grid. I think we made 3-4 variants, but I don't remember where I saved them. Because we have few implemented already we have one implemented already into the game, but I need to make more. So I want to find where I made my previous tentatives and all the relevant document. So if you can find them, and also you can make a list of the paths where these things is located. Thank you very much. So we get these things done. This is still writing. So we need to make the circular room, and then we need to find and decide the way in which these rooms are shown into a tower sort of folder, right? Cause that's the point, right? I mean, that's the whole point. Well, there's a lot to implement here. But that's good, right? That's very good. So, I think we probably want the name bigger here for the talent tree. This should be called these things should have the name of the things. Okay, so I want to do some more changes to slice A3 now that I'm seeing it. And the first things I want to change is that the names at the bottom, at the top for the talent tree shouldn't be the name of the facility, but should be the names of the class. So for instance, what was the music one? Bart something. So I mean, this is what we should show at the top. Also, I mean, I think the text is small. I think that the text is small. So, and try to make the text bigger. And, uh, and, uh, and let's see how it plays out that way. You just do the changes, I see if they are good, and then if that's the case, I approve them. Okay? So, let me see. This is done. Perfect. This is done. So we come here and we keep continuing this. Oh no, this will be but hey, products, welcome back to the bakery. Welcome back, products. I am working at the game, obviously. I mean, we are in a good position, because let me show you what we have done. I mean, we're implementing all the first skill tree. To unlock it, I have to reach the tutorial. So, and we are implementing a lot of stuff. I mean, I've made a full wiki. We have a full wiki that explains how these things are done. And then you see, I mean, boom, we have the wiki. We have the wiki that explains the class mechanics, the game, how it works. I mean, and it's a simple wiki at the moment. But I mean, it has the basics. And now we are implementing the talent tree. We're implementing the talent tree. So I guess this is what we're working at the moment. So, and that's it. That's it, right? I mean, that's what we're doing at the moment. And we have both Chappy and Fable working on two different stuff at the moment. Both Croppy and Chappy, they are doing two different things. Okay, so this has been done. Let me check. Let me check. Let me see if this works now better. I think I had to refresh. We go to continue. Open the talent tree stage part. Yeah, but the font is still small. I mean, the font is still small. Yeah, the font on the buttons is still small. I want a bigger font on the buttons. And also I think you can remove the soon there, because I mean you get the soon information if you click on the tree. Because we don't need the soon also in the button. So but make the text the font size bigger in the buttons of the talent of the top on the top bar of the talent tree, because it's very hard to read. So let's do more changes. Till we nail down the fixes here. We nail down the fixes and yeah, right. And we have this completely done. Then Fable charged. How much usage do we have here left? I think enough, right? Oh my god, 18%. Yeah, it should be probably. I hope it will be enough to finish everything here. And, okay. Okay, now let's see how it works here in the real game. So let's refresh. Continue. Open the talent tree. Stage bar. I mean, it is still relatively small. Why I can't see any increase? Hmm. Yeah, no, it's still small. I mean, I want it bigger. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should tell him coin percentage. So let me see. Because this is narrow compact landscape, maybe probably that's what's the problem. Maybe also the icon too is very small. We can't really see the icon clearly. Maybe we need bigger buttons and maybe that has a bigger icon. You know, something like that, and then the thing is here, see, right? Something like that. But the perspective that okay, that's very big. I mean, that's very big, I guess. That's very big. I mean, you made a jump too big. I mean, you made a change a little bit too big. First of all, you made a change. The change you made is too big. And also, I mean, I'm thinking that the icon in this way is very small and hard to read. So I'm thinking to another way to show this. So what if we have a series of squared icons like we have for the menu, something like that, and below the icon we have the name of the class. And in that case, the name of the class can be a little bit smaller because we have the big icons on the top. Let's try with this visualization. I mean, because I'm still not satisfied. Let's go here. Okay, this is still revising these things. Well, I mean, I really want to nail down the buttons here, because, I mean, that's almost nice, I guess. Almost, I mean. Almost nice, I mean. But not so bad. Maybe I mean, not so bad, right? Not so bad. And probably, I mean, we will probably use bigger pink general, especially for the verbs. The verbs could use way bigger icon, right? They could. I mean, I guess. Right? I mean, let's see what chat is making. So, let's refresh this. Push here, continue. Stage part. Oh, okay, now it's nice. It's nice, but the icon is small. I want the icon bigger. The icon is small. Make the icon, okay, this is way better. You nailed the font size, but the icon should be the same size of the menu icon that we have at the moment. And also, since you're there, try to make all the verbs icons bigger. Probably, let's try with 100%. 150% bigger than they are now. because the visual difference is not so visible with in this way. Okay, let's nail down these things, and this is done very good. So we keep going with the next. We keep going with the next type. We keep going with the next here. And yeah. We will fix all the things. So by the way, did Shopee make the icons? Oh yes. Okay, so he found okay, he found these things, right? Nuntial arterial. Okay, very good. Very good. So okay, listen. I want you to be the supervisor of a batch of images. And basically, I want more variations of circular rooms based on the 4 versions that you just found. So you can use that and the circular grid room system as reference. And these are the changes I want. First of all, there shouldn't be any subdivision in the floor. Because you see now the floor, they are divided into 9 sectors. I mean, I simply want the main circular areas at the center be visualized with something different, but I don't want the other sector subdivision in the floor. And then I want 9 different variations, and each of it should be based on one of the facility of the game. So oven, music, streaming, dress, and whatever. And I want you to find a thematic theme for how is the room is designed for each of these things. And I also want you that you basically, so you are just the supervisor, okay? So you don't directly do the images. And I want you to spawn agents, maximum of 3. And whenever an agent has done an image, you kill the agent and you make a new one. So each agent only does 1 image. Then I want you to save all the images you made into 1 folder, and then we revise them when they are ready. Okay, so and eventually I tell you what I want to change or what I like. Okay? Very good. And then we go back to Fable. Yes. The answer is yes. We go back to Chappie. That probably Chappie has finished this, right? And now we can check this. Okay, now we talk. Now we talk. Oh, this is very good. This is very good. I like it. I like it a lot. This is very good. Okay, very good. Very good. Now these things looks decent, right? These things now look decent. Now these things look somewhat decent. I mean, I sort of like it. I really like it. Okay, now we got this. Now we got this. Okay, I really like the changes. Implement this as slice A3.1 and record everything. And so that when we do the other trees, I mean, we still follow the same design we have just decided, because this is perfect. And thank you very much. Okay, so we nailed this thing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The game is coming up so nicely. So nicely. I mean, look at this talent tree. I mean, this is, and this is just one of them. This is just one of them, and it's very, very nice, right? I mean, it's very, very nice. Yes, I mean, yes, absolutely. And then, I mean, you can click on this and see the stuff. I mean, this is not fully implemented yet. And we have the wiki, right? We have the wiki. and we can check all the information, right? For instance, I want to play the stage part. What the fuck is the stage part, right? What the fuck? Whatever the fuck is a stage part, I mean. And that's the explanation of the class, I mean, right? Right, I mean. Exactly right, I mean, boom. Very good. Very good stuff, yeah. And yes. Yes, so we are in a good spot. We are in a good spot, and now we need to make the room first. We need to change the room first, and then when we have the room, I guess we can then start implementing the remaining stuff, right? And then start implementing the other facilities and go on with the game prototype, I guess. I mean, so we can start testing more and more and more. I think I still probably want eventually to add the music. Right? I think I want to eventually add music quite a little bit because it's a little bit yeah, maybe we need some jingles or effects when you mouse over the stuff and do the stuff. Yeah, yes. Yes. And let me see if Chappie has been making pictures already. No, I think he's still preparing the stuff to do still, and I don't think we. Hey, James, welcome, welcome. Good morning to you. Welcome back to my bakery. Welcome back to my bakery. Let me tell you what we're doing. I mean, I am continuing implementing my game, and we now have a wiki inside the games that tells you how the classes works. So you can decide. I mean, you can see how this things works. I mean, before you actually play, or if you have questions when playing. I mean, and it explains each classes how it plays. And we're also implementing the talent tree for each class. And now we're making the design of the other areas, and while at the same time working on the story script. So I mean, we are on a full multitask explosion things today. But I mean, every single day, I mean, it's progress, I guess. Every single day we are doing progress. So that's very good, I guess. So we're basically working at full regime, I guess, right? I guess so, right? Yeah. So and that's what we're doing. And I am both Chappy and Kuropi. I mean, they are both doing different tasks. I mean, I don't even know how to speed up the things, even if I want, because I mean, we are some sort of I guess. Oh, okay, very good. Very good. I think that's this is done. Yeah. Right? Yes. That's probably good, right? I guess so. I really guess so. So that's it, right? That's it. So okay, and Chappie still has Chappie started to spawn agents? Oh yes, 3 agent working. Oven room, games room, and food. Okay, very good. So they are working, I guess. That's beautiful. And this is still making one thing that I want to do. I want to register one a branch in the change log, because we are now at a slice 3.3, and And probably we want to keep versioning of the current state of the game in case we need to go back or something like that. So, and yeah, probably. So, okay, good. This is done. Right, perfect. So we can save this as slice e3 e3.1, I guess. Fine. We save this part and we keep going on like if nothing happened, I guess. But we send Fable on a new quest, because probably we need a lot of this. We need at least 2 more of this. Probably before we move to stage 5. And this can be archived. This shouldn't. Very good. Very good. And what else do we have here? I really want to check my usage. 20%. I mean, I think we should save. Maybe, right? Maybe it could be saved. Then be able to finish everything. How about it? Probably. I hope so. I hope so. I really hope so. So, okay, oven room interrupted. Why the oven room is interrupted? Uh-huh. Or maybe because, because it's working this. Oh, that's nice, right? I think this is very nice. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. This is fucking beautiful. I think I like it. I mean, we are just Razormo. Welcome back to my bakery, Razormo. Welcome back to my bakery. Look at our little child. How is getting bigger. Let me say yes to crop it before we go back to this. Look at this. We now have a wiki inside the games that tells you how the classes works. Look at this. You can't even imagine how fucking hard it was to do all these things. We have a wiki now that tells the classes. I mean, I woke up at 2 a.m. tonight. I mean, I've been working non-stop since last stream. And I woke up at 2 a.m. So this explains exactly how each class works. Cause you were worrying, I mean, how do you fucking implement, action RPG inside a farming game? I mean, no, you do. And you can also, like real wiki, you mouse over on something that is yellow, and it tells you, other stuff about that thing, And then, look at this, we're working on the talent tree. Also, the music talent tree is in-game. We still have to implement shit tons of stuff. And we are at the same time working on the rooms, cause now each room is going to have its own team. It's going to have its own team, right? So they will be thematic. So and that's probably going to be beautiful. So this will probably be the new oven room. And I'm slowly making the game. We start with have 9 room. The oven room plus 8 originally planned for music, stream, games, food, illustration, books, merchandise, and what am I fucking missing here? food, merchandise, illustration, the streaming games. I'm missing a class here. What the fuck am I missing here? What am I missing? Anyway, nine wrong. Nine wrong. We will have nine. Amen. We will have nine. Just to piece up Sir Psygon and is number 10. Because you know, Psygon loves number 10. I mean, we will have nine. At the beginning, just to piss him off a little bit. But then they will grow up. They will grow up with time. I mean, you expect the 6, 7, but 9. Good job. Yeah, well, I mean, there's still so much to do. There's still crap tons to do. I mean, you can't even imagine how many things there are to do. But I spent, I mean, a lot of time. I mean, planning and prototyping and pre-production. I mean, this year still. I mean, there's crap tons of things to do. I mean, a lot. But the point is that it's coming nicely. I mean, you know, I mean, it's coming really nicely. I mean, if you see these are not implemented yet, but I mean, actually, I have them. I mean, I'm not bringing them in the game because I want to implement one tree at a time. Otherwise, I will go crazy. And so yes, I mean, and the wiki and the message board and everything. I mean, we are in a good spot. Yes. You chap, we need to keep working, and I think I can still work. Maybe I should start work on the oven ground, right? So we don't waste time, right? So let me open the. Oh Jesus! Yeah, let me open the oven ground. Maybe I can open it by Finder, right? We open it by Finder because we say this. Right, we open this Photoshop. I still have some lag, but I guess I will survive, right? We will survive. So we remove the background here, right? We do this and this and this. And what is the original room? Save it. File, open, and then I think it's inside assets. Then we have room, right? YouTube focus private game sprites, yes, yeah. Rooms, sure. Pula room. Okay. So we should probably call this the oven room or whatever, right? That should probably be called the oven room or whatever it is. What is lag? You're right, what is lag? It's like a disease. It's a disease of your computer. Yes, it's a illness. Lag is a illness. I mean that I wish my computer didn't have, but I'll tell you, lag is a illness. I mean, it's a digital illness. I mean, yeah, that's lag. I mean, that's what lag is. So we probably want to scale this down. Probably something like that, right? Right, and I think we can unlock this so we can scale this properly, right? Maybe just a little bit higher here. Right, I mean, this should do it, right? I mean, this should absolutely do it. And we remove this, because we don't need this. And we save this, and save, export, save for web. And then we need to make a new, oh, look at this, they just open doors here. That's going to be a fucking beautiful fucking towery thing. I mean, I sort of like it. I mean, seriously, we saying this as here, probably into game, right? Broom. Then we need oven, and then we call it oven, room. Look at how many. And then we need to go into the sprite manager. Which I have to start because it's closed at the moment. Let me start the sprite manager, which is, I guess, this thing, right? Which has its own server, and on its own server. So to increase even more the lag, I will start a third server. Just cause we are challengers here. We don't really. We are not afraid. I mean, look at this. And then we go here into the talent tree builder, and we add the new server. And we then go into the rooms, Luna room, right? So Luna room, and I need to rooms, Luna room. Okay, that's Luna room, right? On master room, that's the master room. Okay, and this week, and I need this. Oh, why this is not placed? Lunar, okay, Lunar room. Okay, this is placed, right? That's placed. So, we probably want this to be. So oven. What's the setting for Lunar room? Oh, shit, the center object. Okay, so we want to go to oven. And this should be centered. And this should probably be placed, down, right on it. Something like this. So before we do this, let me check Fable. Oh, Fable has done, so we need to do a new one. Cause I can't really waste time. Cause today's the last day I can use Fable inside the budget, the free budget. So I really need to push Fable to the limits, and I can't even waste a single minute here. So probably we go into batches of 6 speed here, just to speed up process. And then go back into 4 nudges. Maybe one, right? We won't fine tune this perfectly, right? Okay, and then we save. We save this. Save the chosen file. And don't know if he matched it, but seems my voice lacks energy or something. Well, more than lack energy or something. I woke up at 2. Rather, no, I woke up at 2. And the reason I woke up at 2 is this one. Is this one. So, let me tell you what is the reason. Is here. Settings usage. So, the cloud will be free till tomorrow, or better, till tonight at midnight. And I want to use as much as usage I can in the free usage slot, because otherwise I will yeah, exactly. Otherwise I will lose it's not well, otherwise I will lose money. Not exactly that I will lose money. I will have to spend money in the future for something that I could have done for free today. So basically I am overworking now so I can save money later. So well, of course I'm a little bit tired because I think first of all I slept 3 hours tonight. And I spent all the time basically working. So and that's it, right? And that's it. So good luck to me, I guess. Good luck to me, right? Good luck to me, right? Cause we still have to do a lot of things. Let me see if Chappie has managed to do the music room. Oh, the music room is here. Oh, perfect. The music room is here. Perfect. Oh, look at this with the equalizers. Oh, but the music room. The music room is amazing. I mean, this is going to be a very colorful tower, but Jesus, I like it. I like it a lot. I mean, I really like it a lot. So, that's going to be beautiful, I guess. Right? I mean, we have this amazing stuff and Fable. Yes. Correct, and that's the point of the whole setup. Oh, right here. Okay. Okay. Yes. So you see, I mean, I'm working in Uber parallel, and I mean, it's quite a little bit hard to keep track of everything. I mean, I want to be completely honest with you, and it is a little bit hard to keep track of everything, but I mean, I'm trying to do my best. Especially because I mean, I know that every effort I put now, I mean, it's some money saved, and I mean, I think it wouldn't be. I mean, I think it wouldn't be even respectful in for you. I mean, and for all the people that have donated, because I mean, I try to put myself in your place. Now you know what I mean, and then you give me money to do something, and then you see me that I am basically wasting it. You know what I mean? Or not giving enough care to the money you gave me. And I think that's not good. I mean, you know what I mean? I don't think that would be respectful for you as well. I mean, cause you are making sacrifices for donating to the channel. And if I were careless, you know what I mean, or couldn't care, I mean, that wouldn't be respectful at all. I mean, that wouldn't be respectful of your money, of your support, of your everything. No, you know. So and so I mean, obviously, I mean, I think that yeah. I mean, I think I really want to to yeah, do my best here, because obviously this is also in a certain sense is also your okay. I mean, in a certain sense, because I mean, the more I'm efficient with the money I spent, and the more your money that you donate me add value. You know what I mean? Because I mean, I can do more with less. So I mean, I think it's just a respectful thing to do. That and that's it. I mean. And that's it. Oh my goodness, the door. Just one moment. I think it's the postman. Okay. So and yes, here. So uh well, I mean, yeah, well, Razum, I appreciate that, but I mean, still, I mean, I still think that, I mean, I don't think I would feel good myself if that was the case. I mean, was I think no, I don't think it's I think I was raised with different principles, and raised about the concept of mutual respect and gratitude, and especially gratitude. So I mean, I don't think that would be a display of gratitude. Oh, this is beautiful. The music room looks beautiful. I mean, pretty sure still I will love it. I mean, I'm pretty damn sure still I will love it. So, let's make a music room. Music. Music room. And then we call this music. True, just jokes. Feels myself is someone else's expectation and she's to do something. Yeah, exactly. But I think any human person that has been raised with, with some common sense. I mean, I'm not even saying with raised between the noble people. I mean, but I mean, just with some common sense, is surely able to not only appreciate gratitude and I mean, or to show gratitude and appreciate it when received, but also feel the responsibility to, in a certain way, to pay back for the gratitude received. So I think it's naturally wired in any person that has been raised with some common sense. Okay, that in which their parent teached him or her some common sense. That's it. So okay, let me check this. So foundation passes stands the Nobrit's word as a rabbit the viewer. Okay, one moment. One moment. Okay, beat sheet. Thumbnail Oracle. And now it beats. I will back to your resume very soon. Let me finish this, otherwise I can't go on with Fable. With Croppy. Okay. Cars does look sword. This shape of the spirit is the rabbit viewer. Okay. Eat shit. Built on Covenant on a basic. Okay. Tell me better which are my choices and what are the consequences. I mean, anyway, both of them, I know they need to be doing to into a new session, but let me explain exactly what are my choices and the consequences, so I can have a better idea. So basically, I'm writing here the romance roots for the romanceable characters, and we are and basically, I mean, I'm decided to make this with Fable because Fable writes better than ChatGPT. So I wanted them to say, okay, start with one full script. Okay. 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 Okay, step C, promote wave 2 into the beats flow. Okay, I understand. I think we make them all. And then we make the script right after that. Jesus, that's going to be a very long session with Fable. Let me start the next task, and then I'll go to what you were saying. Okay, so anyway, you have an idea how ungrateful people can be. Maybe not know is good. Well, I mean, I think everyone has had experiences with ungrateful people. And yeah, maybe not to the full extent. I mean, because there is no bottom to the bottomless pit. You know what you think? When you think you have seen the worst people ever, there is always going to be a human being that is going to surprise you. And because it can even be worse of the worst that you have experienced so far. But the same can be said also for the opposite. Maybe you meet a very good and inspiring person, and then you meet another one that is even better, So I mean, I think it goes both ways. So there is never like a art cap. You know what I mean? There's never an art cap. These things can go infinite both ways. I mean, you can meet a very, very good person and a very, very bad person, and that doesn't mean you have seen the worst of them. So anyway, okay. I saw this story slice. When you think the sentence exactly chop shows down and down exactly that. So well, I mean, the previous agent told me that the two choices were or implement the stories that already have the bits done, or finishing doing all the bits, or going on with the with the bits. So I think I think that so I think because the other agent was saying that there is no real demerit of starting stage 5 before stage 4 is ended. Or do you have a different opinion on this? Uh-huh. My opinion this is between the two. Continuing bits. Okay. Okay. Yes, I think we will go on into writing the whole the yes, let's go this way. Let's go this way, okay? Okay, so perfect. And we can go back also to this. And we are into this. What it is that we're doing? Slice 1 is this fix. That's right. We are into slice B, I think, right? No, not this. That's not the document. What is the document? Slice ledger? Okay. No, this is the slice ledger. Let me see. No, not this one either. Slice plan first essentials. That's the document. Okay, that's the document. A4, A5, A3, D31, A4. But state. Okay. Okay, perfect. So okay, so it's A for the next one. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we need to do A4 at the moment. Then we need this. We need this for this. Let's go here. Let's start implementation of slice 4. Jesus, slice 4. A1, 4. And at the same time, we need to go from here. Also, okay. Break chef. Okay, but I need some water. We have to write so many scripts. Okay. Charge it. And Yes, but I think that before we do this, we need to visually implement the facility, and I need to see how it looks on the screen. Because at the moment we haven't really checked we have never used the asset for the facility. So I think we should implement an A4.0 slice in which we are actually doing this work right now of implementing the visuals and the graphics for the facility, because it is hard to plan something if the assets were not in the game. So let me tell you how the situation is this. So at the moment there is only the oven room, okay? And my plan is if you check the documents, is to make a tower. So the new room should come on top of the other room. Okay? So the point is, first of all, the current prototype for sprite placement can only do one room at a time. Okay, so I think that we should add, first of all, a new function on the prototype and fix the prototype so that it can do the following things. First of all, we can decide which background image is for each room. Because at the moment I think the background image was hard-coded or something like that. But now, since each room is different, we need a way to assign the background room. Then I think that each individual room can be edited in the current editor. Okay, we just need to add the background option to pick the file, and whatever it is, it gets rendered at the bottom like the current background is, okay? And then, but we need to add then another option that is basically a room to room, how can we call it? A vertical preview slider? Because so the point is this, each floor has the same 8. Okay, each floor has the same 8. And so what I need to do, I think I just need the preview sliders, which let me see what happens when I pile floors. So, I mean, I do not know exactly how this needs to be done, and maybe you by listening these things can do this, but this is probably what we need to do. And so I think I need first of all the tools for doing this before we even implement the slice. So give me your suggested proposal, and this is what I think is the way to act, but I may be wrong. So check all the documents and give me your suggested proposal, and eventually let's edit and then let's eventually act. Okay, Razormo. If tower may be better staircases, well, but we can implement staircases later, you know what I mean? We can implement staircases later, or a hole with a pole, or whatever, you know? Or teleport, I mean, fuck it. I mean, whatever. I mean, maybe a staircase on the floor, on the wall or whatever. I mean, that we can fix this later. I mean, at the moment I want something relatively playable. So, we will fix this as it comes, right? I mean, we will fix this as it comes. So, I mean, and well, I mean, it's not really that changes. Okay. Your proposal is correct. Okay, very good. Okay. Yes. Let's go, Chappie, let's go. Let's go, Chappie, and you, yes. Yes. Let's go, Chappie, let's go. We got this, Chappie. We got this. We got this, Chappie. I'm absolutely sure we got this, so. Absolutely sure. Okay, we need to fix the wall script here, but I'm pretty sure we will get something nice, right? So, oh, recommend with scroll swapping. Okay, yes, let's go with this. Yes. Recommended answer. We are going with the recommended answer. You know, I think I want to listen to the song, right? I mean, you know, like, one more question. Every time Chappie tell me recommended answer, I mean, I want to kill a kitten. I mean, seriously, I feel the urge to kill an innocent life due to the stress. I mean, every time that Chappie ask me one more question, I mean, seriously, I think I want to throw Chappie into the oven. I mean, seriously, and set the BPM to illegal, like it's seriously in the song. I mean, for preview, okay. Listen, do not ask me technical questions, and just try to build the prototype. And then I mean, we will base it on what are your best suggestion, and then when I test it, I can tell you if it works or if something is missing, because I mean, I can't fully understand what your suggestions are. So you pick the best. I check the prototype, and then if something doesn't work as expected, I tell you what it is, and then we try to fix it together, right? That should work, right, Chappie? What do you think? I mean, do the work for me. Cause I think I can't stand any more questions, Chappie, seriously. I am already being interrogated by 2 in the morning. Since 2 in the morning, I'm under interrogation, I mean, constantly. So, I mean, and I think I'm already close to to a mental breakdown. I mean, whatever you can call it. I mean, uh, anyway, so yes, just build it, and then we check it, and then we see it how these things works, right? Seems quite good to me. I mean, we will have some teleportation issues, but that sounds quite nice, I guess. Right? I mean, so, uh, let's do this. So, when you start bashing the keyboard, I feel worried. Well, I'm not only bashing the keyboard. I mean, I am just I wish it just oh okay, good, charge it here. Yes, you see, I'm getting question over questions. I mean, put I mean, I'm just under interrogation. You know, it's like if the FBI, I mean, or better not, the Orny FBI is came for me and said you have been Orny recently. And then I have to answer yes, and then he said in which circumstances, and then I said yes. And then he keep asking me all these orny questions about when I felt orny the last time and what I did the last time I felt orny. I mean, yeah. Yeah, well, I mean, it's not that it is annoying. I mean, they are doing their job. I mean, they're absolutely doing their job. But the point is, maybe, maybe I think I should automate table thing here. next time for the next thing, I think I will probably automate it. If Fable can assure me it uses his current best thing there. So as soon as this film ends, I think I need to ask Fable some questions. I think I will ask them now. I have a question regarding your functionality when you spawn sub-agents. Because at the moment I am working with Fable 5 eye reasoning. So my question is, if I ask you to spawn other Fable 5 eye reasoning as sub-agents, can you do it or not? Yes, but I'm doing basically a batch of work that... I think I don't even need to answer to you. I think I don't even need to answer to you now, so I will answer as soon as this thing is done. And so, I know that this would bar token faster, but it will save me the time to do one-on-one, because this is the same thing. If I manually open a window and then I ask you to do something and 20 times, there is no difference. I know that you're saying it will burn tokens faster, but it's not that it's actually true, because it's the same thing, because I need to do the same thing 20 times, so I think you can do 20 times for me, right? Probably. 24%. Yes, I think we should be good. We should be good, right? And let me see Chappie. Chappie is still making the thing there. Okay. So, okay. So the reason I was asking is because I'm working on the file that you are seeing right now, and we're basically creating all the bits for wave 2, and then I want to do all the bits for wave 3. Till we have the bits for all the characters, but the job that I'm doing at the moment is that I'm opening a new session. I got asked the same questions all the time. Do you want to proceed with this character? And the answer is yes. And then do you want to set the tone for the character, which is charged? All the bits that we are making are charged. And basically I'm doing a very automated task just because each slice or each bit needs to be made in a different agent. So my question was, if I am sure, but I want these bits will be made by Fable 5. By you. So my question is, if I can automate this, that will make me save some time, cause it's painful to open a chat every time and do the same thing all over again when. But if cause that's why I wanted to ask, because if you then when you do multi-agent you relegate to a lower agent, then I can't delegate because I have to do it manually. But if you ensure me that you can put the same model, do the same task, well, I can just safely automate this, so you can be the supervisor. You can spawn sub-agent and then them do the job, and then that would save me a lot of time. So okay, right? Okay, so let's see if you understand. Let's see if he understands and if he can save me some time here. Some likes those movies when you go back in time to be exactly. It sounds exactly like that. Correct. It sounds exactly like that. Exactly like that. Exactly. Okay. Oh, he's actually saying me that this actually cost me a little bit more because there is the supervisor agent that's doing the job. Ah, okay. Okay. But the question is, cause point is, if I have to do this 20 more time, I mean, the increasing token will be just 1/21st more, right? I mean, or something like that. I mean, I understand that I need to pay for the supervisor tokens, but I mean, do you really think this is going to be some excessive increased wasted usage? I mean, cause I can't fully see the the extent of this. Yes, the Abron Necromancer, exactly, the Abron Necromancer, exactly. Exactly, raise that grace, exactly this, exactly. The overhead is small, okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. Yes, then let's go, let's do it. Let's do this exactly. So, you take care of everything. And you end only when everything is done, or if you need direct feedback for me. Okay? Thanks. Okay, let's do this. So, right. We managed to send something. I tried to put Fable into reasoning, and they told, well, I mean, your actually job is just to send a prompt, and then he said, well, I guess you're right. So, perfect. So that's not going to be a huge waste in token, but it's going to give me a little bit of freedom so I can spend my time to work on other things, which is very, very good. Because I mean, at the end of the day, the Fable job is to finish all the stories and then write them all, the full scripts. And I think we have credits for. I mean, I think we can still do this inside the credits that we have left. Was net 25%, and probably we will end, I think, around the 70% when the whole job is done. I mean, everything included the full script, so I'm pretty confident that we will be in par. But still, this things is still doing the room composer things. 1/4, so far so good. 1/4, yeah. I mean, this is all free stuff, right? I mean, this is all free load that I got, and I mean, I want to use. I mean, I don't want to waste it. I mean, I want to use any single token out of it. I mean, seriously, any single token out of it that I can take it. I mean, that's why I've been working like crazy since yesterday, because I'm trying to be very efficient so I can get the most out of it. And it's doing wonderful. And you know, I mean, in the same time, ChatGPT released its new model, which is ChatGPT 5.6, and is doing wonderful for coding. I mean, Yeah, exactly. Efficient Luna, best Luna. Exactly. Oh, look at this. Oh, he's inspecting it. I think he's inspecting the thing, right? Was that it automatically opened it for me. So let me see what's going on here. I think he edited the agent already, right? Oh, he did it everything. Okay, so let's edit the room now. I think we can edit the room, right? So let me refresh this. And let me see how these things work. So we go into oven room. We select the oven room. Fixed slots, the oven platform. Okay, block placement. Oven. Okay, we save this. We save the sidecar. And when do I set the floor? Where do I set the floor? Let me see. Which one do I set the floor? Which is the one that lets me set the floor? Background image. Oh, okay, that's it. That's it. Uh, what's this? What's this? Okay, answer. I need answer. So I am checking the prototype and of the circular room oven, and now you added the background image. Can you tell me exactly what that thing does? Because I think we probably have a different understanding of what that thing does. Can you tell me what is supposed to do? Or better, what is doing at the moment? Was probably, yeah, he misunderstood something here, so, oh, actually not, maybe, right? Maybe not, right? I mean, maybe I can set this to 0. Let me set this to 0. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I see now. Maybe that's it. That's it, right? Yeah, right? Probably. Should do it, right? I mean, I think we still have some... Oh, I see. We probably need to... Okay. I guess. Save. So we need to go into the lunar room. And this lunar room here. What's happening here? What happened if we go into the oven room? Okay, let me check. Oh, the background. Oh, okay. As a non-interactive visual layers. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. One loose image, okay. Assign the official room shell, okay. Room composer, okay. Room composer, okay. So let me check this. So what is the room composer? What is the room composer now? The room composer, what it is? Where is the room composer? Placement, Luna, Chappy, Balloon, Jason, Spawn, Sprite. Sprite folder. Oh, maybe I have to reset the instance, the server. Oh. Question, do I have to restart the server? Because I just refreshed the page, but maybe there is some server issues, that's why I'm having confusion. Let me see this. Oh, Jordan, welcome, Jordan, welcome. Welcome, Jordan. I am working on my game. Oh, okay. Oh, 89070. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now I see this the problem here. Okay. Now I see the problem here. Okay, that's what's the problem. Okay, he put the changes on a different server. Are you excited about Sunday? I'm excited about Sunday. What is supposed to happen Sunday? What is supposed to happen Sunday? Oh, okay. Oh, we have these things here. Room composer. Oh, so they are two different things here. Oh, okay. Floor oven. Okay. Object roster. Okay. Oven floor. Oh, so theoretically I would love to end them here. So I see probably I think this needs some redesign, right? If you want to make a tower here. Probably this needs some redesign, I guess. But this could work, right? I mean, probably. It's not exactly the most exciting thing, I guess, right? Probably something like that, right? I mean, and you go up and down, or maybe the floors just change. I mean, this probably needs a full redesign, I think. Oh, sprite editor. Okay, so we have the sprite editor here. So sprite music room. Let me select the music room. Oh, okay, so that's the music room. Right, probably the music room should go a little bit down. Just a little bit down. Something like this, right? A little bit down, and we save this. And oops, what happened here? I think I made a mistake, a mess. Yeah. Never mind. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. It's the 40th anniversary of All My Dad Favorite Quit concert on Sunday. Well, congratulations. Congratulations there. Okay, so music room. Music room. Let's get this. I mean, the music room needs to go down, I think, a little bit. Then we save this. Let's save this. And this should go into the music room, yes, and save the sidecar. Then we go into the oven. Right, room oven. And the background. The background is the oven room. Okay, and this should be a little bit down too. Just a little bit, well, maybe not, a little bit up. Okay, we saved the sidecar. So now if we go into the sprite editor, what is the sprite editor? That's the metadata editor. Oops. What's this here? Problem. Okay, let me fix this. Still is very excited about that smile. Yeah, I hope so. I hope she is so. By the way, I have clicked on there was on top of the sprite editor a menu that let me, oh sorry, it was in the new tool that you made, this, the floor editor, there was a button to go back to the sprite editor, but when I clicked on the sprite editor, there was no button to come back to the other editor. So can you fix it so I have the button to go back to the other editor, or is this still a cage issue? How is the work doing? Nekofi, well, it's going very well. It's going very well. I mean, we are basically, I mean, we have, let me show you. We have added, wiki inside the game that tells you how to play each class in detail. I mean, you know, like classic wiki style, and I mean, you know, it works like a wiki, you know, you overstore stuff and it tells you things, you know, and such. And I'm implementing the talent tree. And we are now implementing the tower functionality. So I was working on the metadata editor that lets me select the rooms and such. So I mean, we have been working a lot. We've been working a lot. So fix it. Okay, now both pages have two different navigation bars. Very good. So let me see if this things works now. Okay, so we fixed these things. Then I go into the order, right? I mean, if I load this, okay, very good. I go into the room composer. Very good. And if I go into the oven floor, and then I should be able to pick the oven room, right? Oh, perfect. Then let me save the JSON. Okay, let me save the oh, what happened to this? Save the room. What happened to this? Object roster. What happened to this? What is happening? What is happening? Okay, let me ask Chappie. So I was changing the background as you said, and in the preview was right, but the moment I save it to the JSON from the vertical floor editor, the new one that you just implemented, the preview on the very right, I mean the one that lets you select and move the sprites, completely flipped, and the floor got to a completely different direction. So basically I just assigned a different sprite for the background, which was supposed to be in perfect alignment when I previewed it. But then when I did that, the preview on the right, when you have the both floor combined, then you can choose the 8, I mean just went completely done. So is this a visualization issue, or is this, just check into it and let me know. Okay, so yeah, the oven sinking to the floor, exactly. Maybe I can just refresh here, you know? No, you see, we have issues here. We absolutely have issues here. But probably, no, you see, we have some serious issues here. Some serious issues here, so. Oh, I see. So this is how it works. Ah, okay. Okay, so probably I have to set it here. Right? Oh, I understand. I have to set these things here. Now it makes sense, probably. It makes sort of sense. If that's the case, I think I need to move the oven differently, like. Right? I mean, I guess so. Let me see. This is a real safe bug. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Is moving this. So I also need to ask to revert it to the correct. Yeah. Save it. So you see, if I found the bug, it was a bug. It was not. It was not. It was not a feature. It's a bug. It was a bug. Very good. We understood it. So we are still doing the. Let me see. What are we doing right now? Okay, so okay, very good. Very good, very good. So I think we need a new position for the oven, right? To make it fit the new room just a little bit, right? I guess so. I guess the oven needs some repositioning, probably. Probably. And just to confirm, you're still using multi-agent for the work, right? Let me check before this thing goes bazooka. Let me check. So, we need to wait for this. So the point is, how do we implement this multi-tower thingy here? So, probably, this is probably the most logical, but it's not really exactly, I don't really like the spacing here and the overlap, so, I think we need a different way, right? We probably need a different way to view this. So this piece is probably not exactly what I want, what I had in mind. Or better, I don't know, but it doesn't seem exactly how to doesn't seem exactly the thing that the visual representation is not exactly what I had in mind. Okay. Oh, okay. It's still running multi pages, right? Okay, very. It's still not confirming me, but okay, I do believe it. So let's go back to Shakti here. I don't know how to deal with this at the moment, honestly. That was my idea, to make the room like a tower this way. But now that I think about it, I think we need to design a real tower, probably. We probably need to design a real tower, or how do we tackle this to keep it modular? Because, I'm not completely sure this is the effect I want to see, right? This is not exactly, I'm not exactly sure that's the effect I want to see here. First of all, we should still change the position of the oven. So let's go to the oven. Select the oven. Why can't I see the, okay, now I see the preview. Right, so we need to move the oven a little bit, I think. Cause it needs to go into the platform now. Right, something like that. Yes, that this is way better. This is way better, and we can save this, and we can also probably move Chappy a little bit. We can probably move Chap a little bit, and maybe Luna just a little bit, right? Right, something like that. Okay, we can save this. We can save this. So what's the question? What's the point here? How do we deal the verticality here? He's still not answering. The yellow thing cannot fit in the image something. Yeah, I know that the yellow circle is not fitting the image. Yes, I know this there, but that's not my problem at the moment. I know how to fix it, that I will do it later. At the moment I'm more focused on how to implement the verticality. This is what I'm really worried at the moment. How to implement the verticality, because it's not even the issue here. That's not even the issue. I mean, I sort of like this, but I don't like this small space between the two, between the two rooms. So I think we should basically push the walls by a lot. This is probably what I think I want to do. I want to push the walls by a lot. And this probably means we have to redesign the rooms, right? Because if we push the walls by a huge lot, then that makes sense, because we can have each room drawn on top of each other, hiding the what is below. So we need to probably 3 times higher, right? I need to ask Chappy here about the room. Look, we need to do some tests. Can you please spawn an agent and make a test based on the room oven that you made, and made that so that the wall that you made is 3 times higher than what you did. Cause it's I think I need it 3 times higher. So can you spawn an agent and do it? Cause I want to do some tests. Thanks. So let's see if this fixes the problem. That is going to create a fucking insane big wall when there is no how do you call it? No other room, right? Cause that will create a huge insane big wall of nothingness when there is no other room available. But probably we can do a swap after the tutorial with the bigger walls, right? So we keep the base oven room, and then after we unlock the room, then we have these huge fucking walls, I guess. But then we also create the problem for the toppest floor, that we still have some insanely big wall, right? So we need both. We need the normal room and the very big long room, right? Cause we use the other one to cover, and we have the other one to right? Probably something like that, I guess. Is the correct way to tackle the thing, right? I don't know, we need to do some tests here. Yes, each path is okay, perfect. So we have done the Abram Necromancer, the Snacks Pack Smith, and Mukbang Arcanist. You know, look at this. This is going to be relatively insane. So let me see the usage, so just in case, so we don't... Okay, perfect, just 3%. So 1% per document, on par for what we were doing. What do you mean? Wouldn't been good if it was slicer toward viewer? Yeah, I mean, we can also do some sort of sliced tower view, That's not the point is, I mean, we can do whatever we want. I mean, we can even go back to the fucking square throne. I mean, that's not the point. The point is that it has to be visually decent. And it should look, I mean, cool and nice to be around, right? Otherwise, I mean, we can just swap floor, I guess. But I mean, swapping floor, I mean, doesn't look cool, no? Because I mean, I imagine this very long tower, especially at endgame when it is full of machineries, and you have other people in the tower like Stella or other things around, and it's very alive. So I mean, at the beginning is very sad, and you think, do I fucking need all this fucking space? Because it's very empty and it's very sad to stay there. But then I mean at endgame, I mean I imagine this very lively. So the point is how do you reach the transition, and how is the room presented, how is the tower done? But I mean nothing is set in stone. I mean we can change a lot of things directly. I mean it's not that something is wall 8 test. Let me see. Oh, this is still making the room, so we have to wait. We have to wait. I go grab something to drink, okay? I go grab something. As sung in one's emptiness is filling me to the point of agony, as sung in one song. Well, maybe we can make a song while we wait for these things, right? I want to go grab a drink. And then maybe we go back, and if the room is ready, we do the test for the room. And then since you have to make 8 more rooms anyway, and it's not that we have an escape from that. We can make a song while it's making the rooms, and then we start building the fucking towerish mechanism or whatever that thing it is, right? So okay, it did it. No, it's still making. Anyway, I'll go grab something to drink. I really need some what. Oh, it did the image. Oh, look at this. It did the image. Let me see the preview. Oh, look at this. That's actually 3. 3 is maybe a little bit too big, I guess. Could be way too much, right? Probably 2. 2 would have been good, maybe. 2 would have been good, probably. No, I think 3 is okay, right? I think so. Right? Let's do a test immediately, instantly. What is this in the oh, okay, it's here. It's here, right? That's the file, right? So open with Finder. Okay, let me show it where this is in Finder. Open Finder, okay, and open this with Photoshop. Okay, so open with Photoshop, sure. Adobe Photoshop, sure. Let's open this with Photoshop, then we remove the background. Right, because we don't need this. And we do this, we fix this. I think I can also open the previous file, open, recent, the master room. Oh, this is still the master room. Okay, so, wait a moment, let's revert this. Let's history revert this, file, revert, perfect. And we image, canvas size. We probably need this to be 2000. Right, something like that from the bottom, sure. Very good. And then we open this. We bring this here into the master room. Here. And you should go below. Right, you should go below. So we can also fix the circular issue that we were experiencing earlier. We can absolutely fix the circular issues too. Probably, right? That should probably fix it. Right, we need to expand this. And expand this. That should be it, right? I mean, that should be it. Right, I'm pretty damn sure. Oh, so I see. You see, the problem is that, okay. The problem is that, oh, okay, it's not really a big problem, actually. It's not really a huge issue, right? I think it's okay. So that should be it, right? So we temporarily hide this, and we temporarily delete this, sure. We can also close this, make it smaller, like this. Call it done, right? Done. And then we file, save as in the oven room as oven tool. Cathedral style, yes, exactly, cathedral style. Exactly, cathedral style. And then we go here into the sprite editor. We go into the sprite editor, right? And then we select the here into the sprite editor. We select the room oven. We go into the oven tool. Oh, look at this. And this is, we center the object, right? And this goes down. Probably in batch of 60, so this is relatively faster. Look at this, seems quite good to me, right? Seems quite good. And then we placement into the oven, right? Oh, very nice, right? That seems quite good. Then we save this. We save the sidecar. Then we go here into the room composer. And to the oven manifest. Into the oven fashion, the oven floor, we change the sprite for the oven into this. Oh, look at this, right? Then the oven needs to be moved a little bit. We save the room, we go back to the sprite. Oh, you see now that this thing works, right? Because now we can do this. Oh, you see, and now looks like a fucking tower. You see, now this thing works. Now these things works perfectly. Now these things work perfectly. So we need the oven positioning, I guess. Or we need to increase, we need to put the room, we need to make a double room. Now we're talking, yeah, right? Now we're talking, right? Because now this is towerish. It's towerish and it makes sense, right? It makes sense. So we need to add a double thing. A small tower room and a big tower room. So, okay, we need to go back to Chappie and, okay, can you again supervise a multitask of agents and have to each agent, as you did before, create a taller version of each room, as you did for the oven. As always, one agent per image, maybe maximum 3 at a time, and when one is done, you kill it and you make the other. Thank you very much. Okay, so we do this, but at the same time, we need to deal with Chapit, so to. Okay, listen. This is what what we need to do at the moment. So, first of all, the preview slider needs to have a way to save the settings for the tool up, because I want to decide which is manually how much is the sliding, okay? Because otherwise, what's the point is having the slider if I can then communicate to you the value? And also, we need to do one more thing now, and listen to me. So basically, we need to make both in the sprite editor and eventually in the game. We need to make that each room has 2 variations, and let me explain why it is. So basically, basically when a room is the topmost floor, or for the current only floor. So for instance, like the oven room when you start at the beginning, okay? The oven room when you start at the beginning, there is no floor above it, there is only that room. Okay, then we have the normal variation, okay? But when we add a room, so each room is added on top of the other. Okay, so the room that is topmost have the normal variation. But each room that is on the bottom get into into we call it the long variation. So basically we need to make two rooms. Okay, or better, we need to make, let me explain very well. So we need to make two backgrounds. Okay, because what changes is the background. Okay, so the background changes. Okay, so the editor should be able to select which room it is. Okay, so if it's the normal or if the longest, okay? And obviously, I mean, in the when we do the in the side preview, when we have the sliders, I mean, mind that one more thing. Sorry, this can be a little bit confusing. So the slider preview things need to be set just one for all the rooms, because I think all the rooms will have the same 8. I mean, there will be the long type, which is any floor that is not the top floor, and the topmost floor. So that could probably needs to be just one single setting. So you can set the topmost when you remake the slider with that can let me set the 8 of the rooms. I should have 2 drop down menus. So I can choose one room that is representative for the bottom floor, and one room that is representative, or better, one sprite, because with the backgrounds, both backgrounds apply to the same room. So I should select one position, so I should keep the relative position of one sprite for what is the bottom room and one which is for the top room. Then I can select the height with the slider, and then I can set a variable which is the floor 8, and then you can reuse this for all the sprites in the future, okay? But then listen to me. The point is that each room needs to have 2 backgrounds, okay? But there is also one more change. I mean, the position for Luna, Chappie, and the other objects in the room, I mean, should also have two different positions. So we should basically also change the sidecar that it makes a check in which room they are at the moment, in which variation of the room they are at the moment, and the positioning relative to that room. Okay, so probably you need also to revisit the way the normal Metasprite editor is, because we now need we probably need maybe a drop down menu. You know what I mean? That let me select normal or tall or long version of the room, and depending on which I select, I mean, I can edit the relative position, and when I save, it saves both. Because I mean, since it's a drop-down menu, I can do the same things twice. You know what I mean? I can select the first, I save, and it's stored for one room. Then I select the drop-down menu, I change the room, and I save for Luna, and it changes also for all of them. I mean, so and this is mostly used for the object mostly, because and because each object, you know, has a relative position for Luna and Chappie that you can select. So I mean, I think this the relative position may also change, and the position of the sprite may also change. So let me know if you understand everything, or if you have questions, or try to make a recap before we make a complete mess. And then if we agree on the recap, we implement the thing, and then we try to to make them work. This will also probably needs to, if everything works in the sprite editor, then probably we will need to do some changes in the also game engine to accommodate the new changes. And also remember that that if I select a preview for a long or short, I mean both the background and the ghosts that I see on the image, they should be updated to the current value. So I mean I can always see the current preview in the sprite editor. In both of the version of the sprite editor. I mean the room position, okay. Oh, look at this. This is insane. I mean, this is insane because we are basically in partly redesigning how the engine works for. Hello, Ilaria. No, Ilaria. I mean, Ilaria, you came in with a really bad timing because I was about to grab a glass of water. So you know what I'm going to do, Ilaria? I mean, I'm going to put the song, your song, I mean, Ilaria, AI Mika. I'm going to put AI Mika on the background, and I'll go grab a glass of water, and then I will be back, because I'm basically, I mean, I am dehydrated, I mean, it's super hot, and if I don't drink water, I mean, Ilaria, I will die. I mean, I'll tell you this, I'm about to die from dehydration, so I mean, for how much I love you and I like you, I mean, yes, exactly, I have to stay hydrated, so, I am going to, but I will leave you with the song, because obviously, I mean, that's the minimum. That's the minimum I can do, so, let's put the music. Here it is, so we put your song in the background, what about that, I mean, that should be the perfect background song for when I go drink something. Look at this. Okay, I'll be right back, okay?
Ciao, ciao. New name in the server like Ilaria appeared and the host stream went bright. Luna blinked once, chat started to fly. AI on the table, Vocaloid in the sky. Ikuyo. She built sounds for the machine, little voices in a bank of dreams. Engineer hands, music brain, turning code into candy rain. I said AI, she said yes, then the conversation made a mess. Prompts and models, beats and tones. Suddenly I was not alone. Two Italian in the neon glow, one from chat and one from Moonlight Show. Not a bot and not a fantasy, real friend entering the melody. This is too cute. A Discord spark in a Vocaloid suit. Amiga, make it AI. Add one letter, watch the hook take flight. AI Mika, Vera Amiga, found you in the Discord live. AI Mika, suona la vita. We go faster through the night. Not artificial, not imaginary. Real new friend with a sound bank heart. AI Mika, Ilaria, welcome to the bakery arc. Starts now. She said Vocaloid, I said done. That is the genre, that is the sun. No debate and no delay. We are cooking at 178. Sounding sparkle, syllable rain. Pitch not dancing in my brain. Tiny foamies, big bright kick. Luna said this recipe is sick. Chat, chat, chat. When Luna went, wait, this is not a normal update. One new friend and the room ignites. Arigato for coming tonight. Yabai, the tempo is awake. Too much joy for a tiny cake. Amiga, but with AI, real heart signal flying high. AI Mika, Vera Amiga, found you in the Discord live. AI Mika, suona la vita. We go faster through the night. Not artificial, not imaginary. Real new friend with a sounding heart. AI Mika, Ilaria, welcome to the bakery art. Lucina, a new voice stayed in the little room where songs get made. Grazie starting now. You came to the stream, and now you are in the song. また来てね。
Welcome back, Hilaria. Welcome back, Hilaria. And yes, this song is fire. I agree. The song is fire. I completely agree that this song is fire. Yes, it's fire. It is. I really like it too. I mean, maybe the Vocaloid, maybe that it remembers me when we first met. Maybe that, I mean, as that's little bit of Italian vibes, maybe that also Suno did a great job in making everything, but yes, that song is fire. Okay, let me check these things, Hilaria. Okay. Each fashion must choose a top variant, okay. Stacked variant, okay. Okay, perfect. One, I guess 4 is a stop, area is stacked. Okay, perfect. Fire. Oh, random. I go random. Oh, welcome to my bakery, random. I mean, it's your first time, right? It's your first time, right? I mean, I don't remember your username. I think it's your first time here, right? Random? Welcome to my bakery. I am making a game. Random. I go random XD. Okay, I'm making a game, and this is what it is. We're still into prototyping and stuff. I mean, there is still a lot to do. I mean, you know, we're building the talent tree. I mean, the wiki for the game. I mean, the inventory system and other stuff. I mean, we are still in prototyping mode, so there is still a lot to do. I mean, we are no way close to a finished product, but yeah, I mean, I'm building a game, so that's what we're doing here at the moment. But by the way, do you like cakes? Go random, cause I mean, if you like cakes, I may have a cake for you. But we just need to be clear on if you like cakes or not, cause I mean, that's very important, cause you are in a bakery, so I mean, just let me know if you like the cakes. Oh, Razormo, bye. Sorry if I couldn't. I was greeting random. And see you, Razor. Okay. Have a nice day and thanks for everything as always. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's go back to this. So, stacked background. Hello, first time shit. Here, nice to find and to be acquainted. Oh, so you have been lurking for a while. That's it. Oh, okay, perfect. Well, nice to meet you then. Well, I think. Well, you have seen cakes before then, but I mean, just since you decided to go out from the basement and you decided to come here. Well, maybe you can get we can get a cake. Why not the welcome cake, right? I mean, who doesn't love cakes? I mean, right? I mean, I do love cakes. You are glad you don't watch Chris Jam anymore. Oh, I mean, I don't know what Chris Jam is. I don't know who Chris Jam is. I'm sorry. I cannot take part to your joy or relief, cause I don't know who Chris Jam is. But welcome to my bakery. So I mean, so it's your first time chatting, but you are acquainted. I guess you don't need too much of explanation, right? Cause you know exactly what's going on here. So. But anyway, since now you can talk, I mean, if you have question or whatever that you want to say, feel free to ask, okay? Or to say whatever you have in your mind. Okay, so each room manifests onto background icon. Okay, the spacing is global. Okay. The tower preview gets to representative background of ground. Okay. Every placed object to place inside a top place attachment. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Top and stacked. Yes, I'm okay with top and stacked. Okay. Is a transformer YouTube. Oh, a transformer YouTube. Okay, that's very interesting. That's very interesting. What do you mean by transformer? Because the only transformer that I know are the series. You know the series like the anime series, the cartoon series of Transformers? That's the only Transformers I know. So when you say Transformer YouTube, I only think at the at that Transformers. You know, you know this. Let me Google them for you. I mean the Transformers. I mean yes, these things here, right? Transformers, right? I mean these things here, right? They have animes and all these things, right? I mean this is what I think when someone says me the Transformers. I mean in the Transformers community, Jesus, you know, I don't know absolutely anything about it. Oh, in the Transformers community, so you mean the series? Oh, okay, okay. Oh, that's interesting. I mean, I didn't know anything about that. I didn't. Yeah. I didn't know about anything about that, Jordan. Okay. Okay, I didn't know anything about that. Okay. Very good, very good. Very good. Anyway. Okay, so we now need to redo some data room placement or whatever. And after that, the theme, you have reasons. Well, I mean, everyone has reason, I guess. Obviously, it's okay. I mean, you don't need to tell them, cause I mean, you know, it may seem that we are shit talking or trash talking this other person. So I guess it's fine. It's fine. I mean, you have reason, and that's good enough for me. I mean, you don't need to. We don't need to go into the details. I guess it's perfectly fine. Okay, so, okay, very good, very good. Okay, let's see this. Let's see this. Okay, right, so, let's hope this thing doesn't break anything, but we really need to... Okay, how much is this going here? Settings? Usage? Okay, that's okay. How many? Oh, okay. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. So this is probably the end of wave 2? Probably. And we still have wave 3, I guess, right? We still have probably wave 3 to do, right? But, okay. So, let's see. There's 6 of Alexa, please. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to Choppy is still working. Okay, so I see. So I guess we have no option. Oh, maybe we can check the room stocks. But this is still making them, right? Let's see the music tool room. Oh, very nice, right? Very nice. Music tool room. Okay, very good. We probably don't need to implement this right now. We just need the stacked version of the music core now. For now. Sweet, we are not going to stop. But maybe I can put the background. She's a wrestler. Oh, okay. Okay, good. I'm wrestler. Interesting. So, we are still working on this and these things is here. I think I am faster if I do these things alone, probably, rather than having an agent to do that, right? I think this is taking a little bit more of time, but I mean, I think we're still good, I guess, right? Probably. We're still probably good, right? I think so. What I will for sure having finished this session and then and then we do this. The circular thing looks like we're inside of the TARDIS. Yes, that would be nice, right? I love Doctor Who as well. No, it's a tower, by the way. And you know, towers are usually circular, so. But yeah, I mean, also the TARDIS also is circular, and I mean, many things in life are. But I mean, if it reminds you of the TARDIS, I'm happy because I really love Doctor Who. I really love Doctor Who, so I think it's nice, right? It's nice if it is a little bit TARDIS-like, so. So if the rooms has the room system been updated, we need to check this, right? We need to check this. We don't need the transformers anymore. And we need the room composer. Is this thing's been updated now? Good question. Floor overlap? Not really. Tower preview? Not really, right? Oops, we're in the wrong one. No. Doom composer. No, not really, right? Not really. The authoring tool haven't been updated yet. So we can't really do much until the authoring tool. Who is my favorite doctor? Oh well, my favorite doctor is the Pandorica doctor. I really love the Pandorica doctor. That one is my favorite. I mean the doctor from how is called Adam Smith? I don't remember. Let me see. Let me check. I really don't remember the name. Doctor Who Pandorica. That's probably my favorite. I mean, the Pandorica. Yeah, from the the one from the Pandorica, right? Yeah. This one here. Yes, this one is my favorite. I mean, absolutely. Is this doctor here? What's the name of this actor? I don't remember. So yeah, I mean, I really like him. Yes, he's probably my favorite, no doubt at all. Yes. Yeah. Tom Baker. I think he's the other one, right? I think. Doctor Who Tom Baker. Let me see if I understand with this, but I think I understand with this. Oh, well, you know, I never actually beat the chance to watch these things. I really want to watch the oldest series, but they don't transmit them in Japan. So I don't know, honestly, but I'm very curious to see the older episode. I would love to watch them. If I had the chance, I would absolutely love to watch the older episode of The Doctor. Absolutely would love it. I mean, I wish I had the chance to, but I just don't. So I really wish I had the chance. But I don't. So I guess it is what it is, right? So we have all the rooms now, right? I mean, music, illustrations. Oh, look at this, beautiful. Book test. Oh, beautiful, right? Right. Oh, yes. They work perfectly, I guess. They are going to work relatively perfect, I guess. Right? Probably. Probably, right? Probably. Yeah, I mean, there are still some perspective issues, but I guess we will deal with that. Yeah, way or the other, right? How come my eyes keep changing color? Do they change color? I mean, really? I'm not sure they change color. And also, by the way, I mean, my new black model is almost ready. Almost. I mean, not yet, but almost ready. I mean, let me see if my modeler has replied to me. Maybe he did, right? Because if he has replied to me, maybe I can try to put this on screen right now. But no, he is still working on it, I guess. So yes, I mean, I don't see any new messages from. Yeah. It's probably going to take him a little bit more time. So we will see. We will see when these things will be ready. But yeah. Prairie down. I don't know what prairie down is. I do not know. So honestly, I don't. So this is doing, and how long are we think we can finally use these things here? Oh, he's changing all the ledger and all the other documentation here. I see. I see. I see. Very good, I guess. Yeah. We probably need a Chappy room. A room for Chappy. President. The president room on top of the tower, right? That would be amazing, but we still have to finish this, so. I'm so tempted to do this stuff by myself, seems way faster. I mean, than having Fable do this. Let me see. Yeah, probably. I think that's the last point in the progress slide. When we finish the clip idle bits. Okay. Lyric rune master. The lyric. What is the text word thing that you are doing right now? I am writing. I'm working on two things at the same time. One thing is that I'm writing character cards for some characters that will join the game, and the other thing I'm editing the game structure so it supports the new tower structure that I'm building. So was the game at the moment, let me show you the game. The game at the moment is it only has one floor. So let me start a new game. So you start that you have one floor and you are in this room, okay, at the beginning. What do I don't even know Diamond Dave, so I mean I don't know. I don't know, George. I don't know. So but anyway, this is we are trying to implement a multi-floor structure inside the we will see how things turns out. So okay. What about this? Are you still working? Yes. Lyrical master. Okay, they're still working on this. And Chappy is still, look at this, he changed so many files. Seriously. Well, at least he is working. By the way, what is the usage for for this section at the moment. Oh, well, we have plenty of usage, so plenty plus the rest, the resets. I mean, we don't have problem. This is Fable, the one that has issues here, but we will deal with them when this time. So when it is time. So okay. Okay, very good. Very good. I think we're almost ready to start positioning the rooms, which is very good, right? Very good. Very good. So what is the goal? What to do in the game? Saving down selected from them in which well, the goal of the games, well, there are multiple goals of the game, but the story is about transformation. Is about transformation and and being a better human being, I guess. So it's a hero story. It's a hero story with romance involved. It's the classic hero story that goes on a journey and goes through a lot through it. So I guess that's it. That's more it with a lot of romance into it and a little bit of comedy. So like Pinocchio but not as dark, exactly. Like Pinocchio but not as dark. I agree. Like Pinocchio but not as dark. So Chappie as finished, I guess. Okay, as almost finishing, you also find the fractons. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Very good, very good. Room composer, sprite editor, game preview. So I guess we just need to check this so we can start working on this, right? So we need to go here into the editor and because if these things work, I guess we are good. My favorite song from Pinocchio. I don't know any song from Pinocchio. I know only the tale. I know only the tale. So okay. So the oven. Okay, let's refresh this. Right? Was this now? Should have the good one, right? So top background. Oh, very good. Very good. Top background. Top. Sure. Stack it. Sure. Very good. Oh, look at this. Stack it. Perfect. And top. Good. Sprite editor. So, we go into the oven. Let me select oven PNG, and this is the floor is oven. Sure. We select this oven room. The room variant is top. Why? Why is the room variant top here? Why is the room variant? Why can't I select my room variant here? Oven room? Background image. Center object. Oh, I guess, right? That's what I need to do, right? Right, sure. That's what I need to do. Oven room. Right. That's probably what I need to do. That's stack it, right? Now that's top. That's top, right? Current room placement. Room variant top. Oh Jesus, this is a little bit complicated. Room variant top. Okay, good. Oven. Center object. Sure. And we lowered this down. Probably we need 16. Something like that, right? Right, something like this, right? That's probably it, right? Then I'm not sleeping, I'm checking the bottom screen. I have a screen on the bottom, and when I look down, it seems like I'm sleeping, but I'm not sleeping. It's just that I'm looking my screen on the bottom, and sometimes, I mean, I guess it just close my eyes sometimes, because the camera can track them. That's probably it. So, let me save this. And if I go here into the room composer, if I go here into the room composer, right? I mean, and I want to see this packet version on the top version, right? That should work, right? So if I go here into the sprite editor, and if I check the oven top, oven room. Okay, this is still, that should be it, right? That should be probably it, right? That's way better. That's way better. So we save this. Save the sidecar. Very good, right? We save the sidecar, and then if I go to the room composer, right now makes sense. So we go back to the sprite editor. We select now the oven now needs a different place, right? So the oven needs to go down here. Right, and that's the positioning of the oven. And that Luna also needs to go down here. Probably here. And Shopee also needs to go down, right? Probably here, right? That makes sense. So we can save the oven now. We can save the sidecar for the top version, right? And we save it. Then if we check instead the stacked version, so the stacked version is, so the stacked version also needs some editing, right? The stacked version also needs some editing. So what we need to do is we need the oven. We need the oven here, and we need the oven tool version. And we need this to go down, like this needs to go down a little bit. Probably something like this. Why can't I see the background? This. What's the problem with this? Because if I go into the normal oven, I can see the background. But if I go into the stacked, I can't see the background. So let me ask ChatGPT. So I'm having an issue with the room visualizer. Or with the sprite editor, sorry. That is when I select the background image. Okay, if I select the stacked room, I can still see the guides, the dotted guides, the room shape and whatever, because it gets rendered below the dotted guides, and this is the intended behavior. But if instead I clicked on the stacked background, it gets rendered above the dotted guides, and I can't see the guides anymore, but I need the guides to position the room properly. So, can you see what's the issue here? If this is an issue in the way I've saved the file, or if it is a bug of the preview editor. Sprite editor, okay. Sprite editor, okay, very good. So, and how is Fable? Okay. 3 dons, yes, okay, wave 2 is done. Okay. Okay. Can you give me a prompt so I can just give the prompt? Thanks. So that's 12 paths. So how much we need for 8 paths? For 8 paths, we use it. We use it. 30, we use it 9% of usage, right? I guess it's some or less relative. Right, probably. I think I may want to do this manually to save a little bit, right? I want to do it manually probably to save a little bit of usage. I think it's better if I do it manually. Probably better, right? Right. Yes, probably we're going to do it, we're probably going to do it manually, I think. Yes, I think we're going to do it manually. That's probably going to save us some usage a little bit, because it seems that the thing consumed a little bit more than advertised. So I think I want to save a little bit of stuff. So So if I understand correctly, we should be going with the wave 3 cards, right? Let me check. Yes, I think I want to do it one by one. Because probably I can save some time here and some credits. I want to do wave 3 into beats. So we start with the first year, and then one per agent, and then we will go on one per agent. I mean, so your job would be to be the first one of the new wave, and then I will continue with the others. Stop. Jesus, can I delete this? No. Jesus, the chaos. The chaos due to a wrong prompt. I'm making a fucking mess here, but doesn't matter. The title is save it as center of Okay. Yes, but I had a problem that if I select background image, it couldn't let me select from the drop down menu if it was for the top or for the stacked. So that's why I had to change the metadata. That's the reason. Okay, very good. We're fixing the fucking room issue here, which is very good, and they're still waiting for these things to come, and then maybe we are able to fix the sprite position, and we are good, I guess, right? I guess so. Maybe. Maybe, right? Maybe. Maybe we should be good, right? Probably, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I'm also not even sure that this tower thing I want to do works, but I guess we can try, right? Enfable our... Okay. Charge it. We keep going this, and hopefully Chappy has finished fixing the fucking metadata editor. And then we can go with other stuff, I guess, right? It's very hot here. Let's keep going here. Let's keep going. So, okay. Very good. This is ready. This is thinking. Now the metadata thing should work, right? Maybe. Maybe. So, oven bronze. Perfect. So, even oven bronze headed. Background image. Perfect. Then oven tall. Background image, and this needs to go down. Right, you need to go down. More or less here. Right. Right, I guess more or less. Yeah, right, probably something like that. Right. Then we go into we save this. Then we go into oven, and the oven we check the version of this stacked, right? This is the stacked, right? So the stacked should be a little bit down. A stacked should go a little bit down, and so should Luna. And Shopee, right? So should Luna and Shopee. And Shopee, right? Perfect. And we can save this. Yes. We save the sidecar. Then we go into the music. Music flow. We select this, which is the basic one. And this also needs to be a little bit down. Yes. Not too much. Well, yes, it's fine, actually. That's very fine, actually. And so we need... and this is for the This is for the, obviously the placement, I guess. Oh, but this should be background, right? Right, this should be background, perfect. This should be background, and so this needs to be removed on top, right? This needs to be moved on top, 'cause now this is the background of the music, right? And nothing's in excess of 16, probably in batches of 5, something like that. Right, that makes sense. And this is for the standard. This is not for the stacket. This is for the. This is for top. This is for top. That's the top position, right? Okay, very good. And we say assigned. And in this case, then we change into the dressing static table noise, the music piano. The music piano. I select the music piano, and the music piano I think is good, is centered okay, right? I think it's okay for now. I think it's okay. Yes, that sounds good. That sounds good, and we can save this in, but we need Chappy too, right? We need Chappy here. We need Chappy. We need Chappy, right? Probably. So we probably could have Luna into a different position here, I guess, right? Because Chappy is where we're going to put Chappy, right? Over here, I mean, do we need multiple version of Chappy too? I guess no, right? I guess no, I guess that's fine, right? That's good for Chappy, right? And we can save the sidecar. And what about the stacked version? Oh, we don't have a stacked version, yes. At the moment, so that should do it, right? That should. We save the sidecar, so, and I guess that should do it, right? That should do it, right? So, let me check how the situation is inside the game now that we saved the new things here. So I go into the game, right? We refresh this, cause that's all new stuff. We start a new game, and hopefully nothing break, right? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. Seems like nothing break at the moment. So very good. So nice, I guess, nice. We collect this, we take this, we fulfill the request. We skip the slide. We have the class guides, we still have the talents point. Okay, good. I guess that completes the 8-0 slide, right? Okay, I think this completes the 8-0 slide. I mean, the sprite editor seems to work perfectly, and I mean, I've checked the game. I mean, at the moment there is only the base room, the oven, because we haven't implemented this. I mean, there is no way to check the stacked implementation yet, but it seems to work at the moment. So, I guess this can conclude phase 1. Sorry, 8-0. A40. Before we do this, there's one more thing I need to check, and inside the sprite editor, Windows sprite metadata editor, and it is inside the room composer. Or that's more or less it, right? That's probably right for now. That's the setting we keep for now, okay? Save tower settings, very good. Save tower settings, perfect. Perfect. Okay, we can go to Chappie and tell him we are good. Okay. Then we go to Fable. Very good. Very good. We go to Fable and we keep pushing this. We need 11 more and then need to do a very long 31 dash pass. So, wow. Wow. It's going to be a long day. I hope I think I should be able to do it with the usage I have. I'm pretty sure I can. I'm pretty damn sure I should be able to. I'm pretty damn sure I should, so. So. Yes. Perfect. So we have done everything. Okay. So now it's time we finally implement the other stuff. But I am tired, I guess. I think going to implement the next slice is going to be... I think I need some food. I think I probably need some milk. That's probably what I'm going to take, some milk, because I need a pair of minutes of break. I'll go grab some milk and be right back. Milk. I needed some milk. I need to take some milk. So, where are we? So, the room composer is working. The talent builder is working. The game is up to date till the selection of the first talent point. And so I think we can go on with the next slice, which is probably the A41, right? A41, I think. Or A4? Let me see. A40. Okay, very good. A4. Okay. Yeah, we had to implement a slice inside the slice. 次じゃあ、ワンミュですよ。ワンミュですよ、次じゃあ、ワンミュ。ワンミュ。いやー、なんかゲーム開発進んでて、いい感じになってるよ。まあ、これ、いつか日本語版もにするから、スギチャスも遊べるんだよね。そのうち。 で、今、ゲーム内の説明書とか作ってて、あと、サレント3、スキル3、スキル3、そうね。まず英語終わらせて、その後、日本語入れとくわ。入れとく。まあでもまあね、時間かかるからゆっくりね、ゆっくり。マジで時間かかるわ。ゲーム時間かかるよ、マジで。特に一人で、かかる。かかる。かかる。お、手で読んだらいこう。読んで、よし。で、テーブルちゃんはまだやってるね。チャッピー。チャッピー。チャッピー。オーケー。Yes, I think it should be decided right now. So we will go into a discussion section because this needs to be organized correctly inside the documents. And let me tell you why. Because a part of these things is fixed, okay? And it will say regardless of what profession you pick. But the other part needs to be dynamic depending on which profession we select. Well, at the moment there is only music, but the point is that we need to build this thing modularly. So in the future, it will will explain the correct thing, right? So my suggestion is that, and listen to me, cause this also is not only a tutorial thing, but this is also partly, a way this things needs to be implemented in the code. Okay, because it's the first time that we will pass from a top view into a stacked view. Because the moment you click on your first talent and you accept, the room layout changes. So there will be several things going on here at this time. Okay, so because on a game point of view, the game changes. Okay, because we go from normal view to stacked view. And we have to decide the way in which the stacked view changes, and so on. And then there is the tutorial that also is, as I told you, as a fixed part, and then in a custom part. So regarding the stacked engine, I mean, we already did some changes to it. We already prepared the sprite metadata editor, and I think the engine does the job. But the point is that Luna and Chappie will physically teleport to the new station. Okay? So to the new floor and the new station, because they will be about to use that station, right? So and this but this is this so I guess this is also part of the well, this is also part of the things that we need to decide, but anyway, the tutorial itself, right? So I think for the tutorial itself, we should, cause we have already an MD file that has the first 5 events recorded. So I'm thinking if it is the case to add these things into that empty file to keep the things continued, or to create a separate file that covers what happens after you assign the first point. So this is more or less what I have in mind, and maybe you can help me make sense of it and organize this in a better way. I need that you tell me what is your suggested workflow for tracking for dealing with this thing. Okay, and this is done, right? So we can do the next. We can do the next. And we can do the next thing here. And Chappie, what Chappie's thinking. Let's see. Yes, and the mood discharged. Okay, very good. So very good. Very good, very good. Very very good. So Chappie. Okay, look at this, Jesus. Okay. 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 Buying a branch root as one generic path selection transaction. That transaction record the selected path. Okay. A generate transaction content should enhance the visual changes. The event system QRA. Okay. Runtime to representation after the first unlock. Exact transition come coeoga in camera destination. Okay. Yes, that's the reason why we built a stacked version, and because it's a huge long vertical tower. And you will keep adding floors and floors. So that's why in the metadata editor that we built, there is a distance between floors, stacked floors and top floors. So you can build the things in this way. So there will be this very long vertical tower that you will be able to drag like you do with normally, right? With the current map too. I mean, right? Because you can just drag it, right? So that's what it is. So I mean, basically the renderer doesn't really change, I think, because you keep stacking items on top of the other. You know what I mean? Is just that you add a new item on top of that. Oh, but you think that the current renderer now needs to change because it's multi-floor? I mean, I don't know how we do this, but the point is that I want this multi-stack power thing. And this is the most important thing. Now the question is, if you think that just implementing the multi-tower stacking thing is a task of its own and is already a big task, because maybe needs a huge change of the engine, maybe we can record all these decisions that we have settled. You know what you mean? We can record all these decisions that we have settled, and then we can split the slice A0. Splice A4 into multiple sub-splices, because if you think that this is too much to do in a single section, because we need an engine redesign. I mean, in my head it was just stacking images on top of the other. I mean, vertically. But if you think that for correctly generating, I mean, the perspective and which sprite is on first and which sprite is behind, I mean, it's a whole engine overall, then maybe probably is better to split the workflow while recording all the decisions that we made so far, so that we can them in the ledger. So when we're finished with this section, the next agent can pick where we left, and with all the open questions that still needs an answer. Okay. Table is still working, so yes. Yes, and also keep into the open questions the fact that maybe before we go into the tutorial with Luna transporting and showing again the room. There could also be one small visual novel slides that celebrate the class. Okay, so just keep this as open question because but for now we do as agreed and we work on the engine. Okay, we update the documents and we work on the engine, but there is the chance that after you pick the talent, I may want a little bit of story novel or visual novel, and then after the visual novel ends, we go into this teletransportation we are planning. So I still haven't fully decided my mind on that, but I have decided my mind on the fact that I want a vertical tower. So I think that, as you said, I mean, tackling this task as individual task is very important. So I mean, I think we probably need to update all the documents, and then maybe you can, I don't know, maybe we can handle the whole engine rebuild to a new agent. You just give me the prompt and then a new agent build it. I mean, we have to decide which is the best approach. But anyway, I think for now you should really update the documents since we have just decided all these important things. Oh my goodness, I was without voice to speech. I have to reset everything. Oh, that's very annoying. So, yes, and you should also add one thing into the open questions, and is that probably after you select a talent point, I want to add your first talent point. I want to add a small visual novel style, like the one that we had before. After you start, you know, after you do the first commission, you know, we have that with your visual novel style. So I think I want to add that visual novel style before we go back into the map and Luna and Chappie teleporting. So so you should probably add this into the workflow, because yes, I have decided that this is the correct order. So after you select the talent point, there is a small visual novel that we will have to write, and then after the visual novel ends, we go into this into the vertical tower view. But the point is that this doesn't change the fact that we still need to do the engine change. So as you suggested, I think the best thing is to write all these changes, including the fact that there will be the visual novel bit after you select the talent point, and when the visual novel changes, we go back into the map field with the vertical tower. But point is, we need to reslice the current slice into multiple slices and tack the big things accordingly. And probably the first things we need to do is to work on the engine redesign. So just write everything down, and then when you're finished writing everything down, let me know, okay? Okay, then we go here. Very good. We still need 9 more. 9 more of this. Good. Good or bad, I don't know anymore. Okay. 9 more, we should finish before 50%. So that's good, I guess. That's good, I guess, right? That's good, I guess, right? Yes, and the mood is charged. Okay, good. Let's have Chappy write all the documents. And very good, right? Jesus, these things is going to be quite huge, but if we have these things done, I mean we are not good at, right? I guess so. Maybe this game is becoming a monster, but whatever. I mean, this is becoming a little small monster, but we will see. We will see. We will see. And then after everything is done, I will have probably Fable review the code, right? I will have Fable review the code and see if the code is well done, or if he wants to do some modification. Very good. And I think we can almost end the things here, right? Probably. I think I will send Chappie on a mission to build the whole fucking thing here. And I'm very good, so very good. So A141. Okay, so A4.1. Good, so A4.1. So we can ask this and tell it to do A4.1. And A4.1, right? That should do it, right? And boom. Boom. Right? Boom. And Fable is doing his thing. Okay, we got this. I think that's all for today's stream. I mean, we're doing great, I guess. I guess. We're pushing like we're pushing like madness, so yeah. Right? So I guess that's it. That's it. I guess we can end the streams here. Yes, probably that's it. So thank you very much for watching and see you tomorrow. Okay? じゃあ今日ここまでですね。ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。またね。バイバイ。